Hey everyone! Welcome to a brand new tutorial on Kavu Creative. Today, we are making colors come to life. We are going to turn basic shapes into a beautiful 3D spectrum logo. It looks amazing, right? Trust me, it is incredibly easy to draw. Let's open Illustrator and see how. First things first, let's find our center. Double-click the Artboard tool. Check the option for Show Center Mark. Press OK to apply. First, turn off the fill color. We will build our structure using just the stroke. Select the rectangular grid tool. Alt-click right in the middle. Enter 350 for width and height. Add 9 dividers each way. And hit OK. Select the pen tool. Just connect the dots on the grid. Click gently on the intersections. Hold Ctrl and click to close the path. Let's use the Shape Builder. Select it all. Choose any fill color. Swipe across to build the piece. Hold Alt to clean the background. Right-click and ungroup. Select all of it. Hold Shift to deselect the main shape. Press Delete to clean the canvas. Select the design. Grab the Rotate tool by pressing R. Hold Alt and click right in the middle of our canvas. Rotate it by 90 degrees and press Copy. To build the spectrum, just press Ctrl-D twice to close the circle. Hit I to grab the eyedropper. Time to paint our logo. Here is my favorite hack. Just hold Ctrl. Click a shape, sample a color, and move on. Let's polish our design. We need to expand the strokes. Select everything on your canvas. Go to the Object menu and hit Expand. Just click OK. Then, hit Divide in the Pathfinder window. Pick the magic wand. Select those outlines. And press Delete. Boom! The masterpiece is finished. These simple details make it look amazing. Do not forget to hit save. Drop a comment and share your thoughts. Enjoyed this colorful tutorial? Subscribe to Kavu Creative for more. Keep designing.